If you are planning to install CCTV camera, you might come across with two common recorders. One is DVR, another one is NVR. But what do they mean? Which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First, what is DVR? DVR works with analog camera. This is the DVR I am showing you. This is how it looks like. And it works with coaxial cable, means it will connect through the coaxial cable from CCTV camera to this port. One cable will come which will connect through the BNC connectors, and the video will be processed inside of this DVR. Whatever the camera is capturing the image sensor, that all will be sent to this DVR, and these DVR will process the video footage and it will show it on our display. This is how this DVR will work, and this will be usually cost wise very effective. It is cheaper comparatively IP cameras, and this is like something ideally basic security system. And now let's talk about NVR. NVR stands for network video recorder. If it comes like word itself, network, and of course it will work with IP cameras, uses network cables, Cat6 cable to connect the cameras, and here in camera itself the video will be processed digitally and it will be stored in network video recorder, means NVR. Okay, if you see the camera itself, the video will be processed NVR. You won't find these connections, coaxial connections. Only you will find this much of one. One is RJ45 port, two USB, one HDMI port will be there in NVR. These things will be visible, and this will not come. This will come only in DVR, this type of connectors, and offers high quality of video. And it is easy to install. Only the thing is we need to know the configuration and IP setup. That is also very easy. Nowadays NVR is came with technology where just we need to plug and play. It will automatically assign everything. And here I have shown some key differences. Whatever I have explained, you can pause it and watch it if you want. You can take a snapshot also of this screen. Which one should you choose? If you are to go by budget wise, the area is smaller, then you go for DVR. 4 or 5 cameras you are going to install, and budget also you don't want to spend higher, then you go for this basic setup, DVR setup, analog camera setup. If you are going to for like more than 10 cameras, 8 cameras, in future you want to upgrade, and quality wise you want higher quality, and in future also you want to upgrade, then here recommended is IP camera, NVR, you need to prefer here. Okay, and that's it guys. This is the basic difference between DVR and NVR which I have explained. Okay, if you have any doubt in CCTV related CCTV things, you can feel free to comment here. Definitely I will help you out. Thank you. Have a nice day. That's it.